Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Remember to like, subscribe, on your turn on your notification icon to always get a constant update. All right, today we'll be learning about Hamster Kombat, and it's very short, it's very straight, but we'll be starting with the daily combo coins. How to go about it? We'll activate our Hamster Kombat app on Telegram, of course. It's loading. Thank you. We'll go to our mine tab. Now we need the daily combo to earn our 5 million coins for today. How to get this 3 daily combo? Through the cards. We'll search. Of course, we are supposed to be checking each of them while we get the actual card that will fill in this question mark. But since I provided the cards for us, so just for us to go straight to that card and buy that and obtain the card. For today, we'll be going for prediction markets. Is the first one. That one is giving me what? That's first. Then the second, we'll go to legal card, license Europe, the second card. Then for the third, the special